Afternoon, friends. Welcome to another Crafternoon. Today, I'm going to show you a cool recycling project that can actually turn into a fun game. I'm sure some of us have seen giant Jengas before made with wood. I'm going to show you how you can make giant Jenga for your living room with old soda boxes. You need these 12 packs. Whether you drink soda or some sparkly water like I like, just collect them, put them in a box until you have a box full of boxes. And then when you're ready to do that, you just take your box back out, and all you need is some construction paper. I have some really long ones, but short ones will work. You just use more of them. Some tape and some scissors. First things first, we are going to try and square off the box. Make sure you keep this little flappy part on your boxes as you collect them. Tape them to the box so they'll stay still. Alright, and we're good to go right there. And then I have these very long ones that are about as long as the box actually, so it works out in my favor. But I'm still going to need to cut some out to cover the ends. See about how much I need? And we'll start cutting. Two strips. And all we're going to do for the ends, we're going to take this tape, take our long piece, put it over it like that, tape it down, do that on the other end, do that to the other end. And next, I'm just going to take our long piece of construction paper, and it's okay that it overhangs because we're going to tape it all down anyway. Put it about the middle. Take that multiple areas, hold it down and secure. And then we move to the other side, and we're going to try and pull it as tight as we can because we want it to be kind of blockish. So keeping some weight on it while you're taping is going to be beneficial to you, to the overall result of the box. And then we're going to do it one more time so that's all the way covered. Line this up as best as I can. And again, pull the backside as tight as you can. Then we are going to fold in the sides and tape those down. So I'm just pressing down like that. Piece of tape. And I'm just working my way around in a circle. Got any funky corners, tape down the corner part as well. Alright, so now I got one piece for my Jenga set. And as we're making them, I'm just going to put them in a box. And we're going to keep doing that until finally, wow! Look at all these pieces we got! And you can start playing your Jenga game by trying to get this one out. And y'all know how Jenga goes. And you can make as many as you like. We're just kind of getting started here. But that's how it works. And we hope that you enjoy this fun recycling project, this fun art project, this fun game project. And we hope to see you next time. Bye, friends.